Myself, Mr. Vikas, working as a primary teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya Chikodi. I am here to express my views on one of the tranche of NEP 2020, that is Foundational Literacy and Numeracy. But first of all, I would like to offer my thanks to Deputy Commissioner of Bangalore Region and our Honorable Principal Sir for giving me a chance to speak on this topic. Friends, as we all know, to build a strong edifice, we must have a blatant foundation. Over the years, despite of incessant efforts and a slew of programs for the development of primary education, we have not been able to develop ourselves to the fullest. It's quite deplorable to see that in our country, a large number of children, around 5 crores in number, have not attained foundational literacy and numeracy. That is, the ability to read and comprehend basic text. This has led to a plunge in our efforts which we all are making since independence. The NEP 2020, with its spurred vision, can help us to overcome these challenges and erect doyen citizens in spade quantity. In my view, the NEP offers us everything which is the need of the hour at the present situation. Its egalitarian approach would help us achieve unity in diversity and would bring every child in the forefront. The policy aims to achieve universal literacy and numeracy in primary school by 2025. It also embodied a roadmap to achieve these goals like filling teacher vacancies at the earliest in a time-bound manner, especially in disadvantaged area. In my view, this step would coerce our existing system as the shortage of teachers is major detrimental in tweaking education system. The policy also envisages an increased focus on foundational literacy and numeracy through robust school curriculum and continuous assessment. It also ensures a 3-month play-based school preparation module for grade 1 students consisting of activities and workshops around learning of alphabets, sounds, words, colors, shapes and numbers. The plan to develop high-quality digital infrastructure using digital platform like Diksha would also bring volatile changes. The policy not only dwelt on providing good quality education but also focuses on health and nutrition of children at early stages. I think providing simple but energizing breakfast in addition to midday meals and 100% immunization in school would spur the existing school infrastructure. Friends, in my view, the government vision through NEP 2020 to bring major changes at foundation stage needs a accolade. I think if we would be able to implement these changes in our present system, we could develop jubilant and doyen citizens that would refurbish our system.